Welcome to Educode. This is Imam with you. In this video, we'll start learning about class Amphibian. As the name indicates, Amphi means dual, bios means life. So these animals live in aquatic as well as terrestrial habitats. Most of them have two pairs of limbs, that is four limbs, and their body is divisible into head and trunk. So their body is divided into head and trunk. Some tail may be present in some organism. Amphibian skin is moist but without any scales, and their eyes have eyelids. A tympanum represents the ear. Alimentary canal, urinary and reproductive tracts open into common chamber called cloaca, which opens to the exterior. The respiration is by gills, lungs and through skin. So these are all the characteristic features of amphibian animals. Their heart is three-chambered, that is two auricles and one ventricle. These are cold-blooded animals like Aspirants, like the fish, which are also cold-blooded animals because they cannot maintain their temperatures. Sexes are separate, fertilization is external, and they are oviparous. The development is indirect. So here from this section we can extract more than 20 to 30 questions by taking just the example. In which of the below organism a tympanum can be seen? So here we have around 4 to 5 examples. So that from that any one will be the right, options will be given in the 4 multiple choice. So how we can expect questions from this section? So we can expect more than 30 or 50 different types of questions from this section itself. So it is how you read the concept. So they are oviparous and the development is indirect. So the oviparous means egg laying animals. Okay, development is indirect, means through different stage, the larva or other stages, it will go into full adult form. And they are cold-blooded animals. All these are very important. So when you are reading this concept, you need to remember all these things, like they live in aquatic and also terrestrial habitats, 1 point, and they have two pairs of limb, and also tympanum represents the ear. Their alimentary canal, urinary and reproductive tracts open into a common chamber which is called as cloaca. So examples here are: before, that is toad, rana, frog; hyla, that is tree frog; salamander, that is salamander; ichthyophis, limbless amphibian. So all these are examples. We have here the heart is three-chambered, that is two auricles and one ventricle. So how many auricles and ventricles are present in ichthyophis? Okay, this should be the question. So what we need to answer here is, the answer is the heart is three-chambered, two auricles and one ventricle. This is common for all the below examples. Coming to reptiles, we have chameleon, crocodiles, chelone and naja, that is snake. This class name refers to a creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. They are mostly terrestrial animals and their body is covered by dry and cornified skin, epidermal scales or scutes. So epidermal scales and scutes are seen in class Reptilia, reptilian animals. They do not have external ear openings. Tympanum represents ear. Same in amphibian. So now we have two animals belonging to different class, but they have tympanum as a common factor. Limbs when present are two pairs. Heart is usually three-chambered, but four-chambered in crocodile. Remember this. What is the animal? What is the reptilian organism in which the heart is four-chambered? That is crocodile. So this is very important. Normally it is three-chambered. Reptiles are poikilothermous, means cold-blooded animals. Snakes and lizards shed their scales as skin cast. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal, and they are oviparous, and development is direct. So all these factors are very important when you are reading this class Reptilia. What are the examples here? Chelone, that is turtle; testudo, tortoise, chameleon, tree lizard, calotes, garden lizard, crocodilus, crocodile, alligator, and hemidactylus, that is wall lizard, poisonous snakes like cobra, langarus, that is kite, viper. All these are examples. So all these examples, you can, for example, how many chambers are there in the heart of cobra? So it is 3 chambers. So in this class Reptilia, 4 chambered heart is present in crocodilus, that is crocodile. So usually all other animals which comes in this class, they have 3 chambered heart. And tympanum represents ear, which is a common factor between amphibia and also this Reptilia. Okay, please go through the book again and again, because the more you revise, the more you remember. Otherwise you will not remember. We need to understand the concept, and also examples are very important, because I will discuss in separate video how to reason, how the questions are coming, how to answer them, and where we need to put our effort while reading NCERT biology book. And thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.